Hi, this is John, and in this clip I'll be talking about the materials needed for our project. For our project, the two primary materials that I'm going to be using are 3/4 inch plywood and 1/4 inch plywood. Now this is going to be what I like to call a scrap wood project. I have a lot of scrap wood and I want to use it up, so I'm going to build a couple different small projects just out of my scrap lumber. Now the procedures for my project are the exact same whether you're using oak, maple, cherry, pine, any type of wood, lumber, or material you want to use. For my project I'm going to need a bunch of screws, and the length needs to be over about 1.5 inches so that it'll go through that 3/4 inch plywood into another piece of plywood. Some of the other materials that I'm going to be using include wood glue to help hold all my pieces together. I need a pencil and a tape measure for measuring and marking, and I'm also going to need some sandpaper just to smooth down any sharp edges.